The science of grooming and success. Well-groomed men exude confidence, which directly impacts career success. Proper grooming creates a polished look, making men appear more competent. Psychological studies reveal that attractive, well-groomed individuals earn higher salaries. High-level executives and celebrities prioritize grooming as part of personal branding. The perfect skincare routine for men. Why clear, healthy skin is a status symbol among high-value men. Key products: cleanser, moisturizer, and SPF for daily protection. Exfoliation removes dead skin, prevents acne, and enhances skin glow. Hydration: drinking water plus using hydrating serums for a youthful look. The secret to a sharp haircut and beard style. How top-tier men choose face-framing hairstyles that enhance their features. Importance of bi-weekly trims to maintain a clean, polished look. Beard grooming, using beard oils, balms, and regular shaping for a refined look. The psychology of a well-groomed beard: signaling power and control. Luxury waxing vs shaving. The grooming upgrade. Waxing removes hair from the root, giving a longer-lasting, smooth finish. Benefits: no razor bumps, ingrown hairs, or daily maintenance. Why athletes and business professionals prefer waxing over shaving. How to maintain flawless skin post-waxing with moisturizers and serums. Fragrance mastery. Smell like a millionaire. Why scent is the most underrated luxury statement for men. How to apply cologne properly for all-day freshness. Difference between cheap vs high-end fragrances. Investment in lasting scents. Layering technique. Using scented lotions plus colognes for a signature scent. Nail and hand care. The overlooked detail: how well-maintained nails signal wealth and hygiene. Why top CEOs and luxury brand men get regular hand and foot grooming. Home vs professional manicures and pedicures. Why they matter. The handshake test: why dry, rough hands kill first impressions. Mastering eyebrow and facial grooming. The power of clean, shaped eyebrows in enhancing masculine features. The difference between natural grooming vs overdone brows. Removing stray hairs for a polished, camera-ready look. Teeth whitening and oral hygiene. The smile that wins. A bright smile is linked to confidence and higher social status. Why whitening treatments and flossing are non-negotiable for elite men. The hidden dangers of bad breath and how to prevent it permanently. Fitness and grooming. The connection. Sweating releases toxins. Why fitness improves skin and overall grooming. The gym grooming routine: showering, deodorants, and sweat-proof products. Why fit men age slower and look sharper. Wardrobe and grooming, how they go hand in hand. Well-groomed men invest in quality clothing that enhances their image. Why tailoring clothes creates a luxury, fitted look. Proper grooming ensures your outfit looks sharp and put together. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.